Can we manifest with zero effort? Yes. In fact, that is how we manifest all the time. How hard did you try for your companion to leave you? How hard did you try for your body to grow out of shape? We are always manifesting our entire lives effortlessly. And of course, we can always look back along the way and notice all those little things, the thoughts, the feelings, and the actions that we committed to in order to help materialize those experiences. For example, the weight gain. You were not appreciative of the body that you had. You've always been very nitpicky with your physical appearance, and to top it off, you tend to be an emotional eater, and you've been very moody and emotional this past year. You've been going through a lot, so you've been eating much more. It all makes sense. But in the moment when you were doing these things, when you were nitpicking at your body, when you were complaining about it, failing to be grateful for what you did have, when you were scarfing down Doritos and Oreos like no tomorrow, how effortless did that feel? Most humans are comfort-seeking beings. We're always choosing the safest option, the most easy and recognizable, the most familiar choice, the most comfortable choice. So that even though we are taking action, it's effortless. The trick here is understanding that action and effort is not the same thing. So how do we manifest the good things we want while keeping it effortless? This is why we are taught to start internally from the inside. This is where the mindset shifts come into play. This is the part where you get in alignment with what it is that you are intending. You start to assume the state of the wish fulfilled. You migrate to a different state of being, and then you just be. What now happens is, instantly, you begin to receive manifestations in the form of emotional shifts. You're literally tuned into a different frequency, so you can receive different thoughts. You'll start to receive different inspirations. You may become inspired to take different actions. These inspired thoughts, these inspired actions, for whatever reason, are included in the stream to your wish fulfillment. The universe works in mysterious ways, and it's working through you too. I love saying that. As you persist in this state of being, in this state where your wish is fulfilled, your intention will be materialized by law. So sure, we've been manifesting our entire lives, but we didn't know we were doing it. Therefore, we didn't know how we were doing it, and we don't know how to go about doing that now. So what are some practical steps that we can take now to consciously materialize our lives? First, we clarify what we want. If you're in an unsatisfactory relationship, perhaps you might want a satisfying relationship, maybe with the same person or perhaps with someone new. No judgment. Alternatively, you may now simply dream of just getting out of the relationship, being liberated, and manifesting the alone time and space that you need to focus on you for a change. In other words, being happily single. Next, we feel what we want. We pay attention to what it is that we want. We focus on it until we can feel it. This is where we regularly practice our techniques, the visualizations, the scripting, practically anything that will help you feel the fulfillment of your intention will benefit you. After this, we practice what we want. Now, what does this mean? It's just a fancy way of saying now we take actions in the physical world that reflect the realness of our intentions. We prepare for our desires. We act as if it's already yours. We block out any thought that opposes our new beliefs. This simple 3-step process can be used for our intentions or against our intentions. I'm sure we've all experienced a time in our lives when we felt unattractive and unwanted, and no matter how hard anyone tried to convince us otherwise, their attempts were futile. And from this state of being we persisted in, we began to notice all around us evidence of what was once unseen. We eventually experienced what it felt like to be shut out and ignored, passed on for another, to be unwanted. We are all excellent creators. We have materialized our entire lives, and once we can accept this simple truth, we take our power back to now consciously manifest more good things, more of the wanted things where there were once only the opposite. You are not held responsible for the circumstances of the outside world, but you are responsible for your response to them. The beauty is, through your conscious self-control, i.e. through mindfully choosing your state of being, you will have the power to change the circumstances of the physical world and therefore, in a sense, accountable for them. So to summarize the simple 3 steps of manifesting with 0 effort, in other words, how you have always materialized everything. Number 1 is we clarify what we want. Number 2, we feel what we want. And number 3, we practice what we want. Persist in the new state of being this will create, and then you sit back and you watch your life unfold. And with that being said, thank you for watching this video. I truly do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I trust you'll give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content just like this. So, how did you like today's video, and what video would you like to see next? Let me know in the comment section down below. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Toodles.